I'm dipping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSJ254, and you are tuned in for another one. Boy, Mr. Identify Your Weaknesses, Make Your Strength. Link is down in the description box below if you want to order yours today. So today, what we're gonna get into, we are moving forward with the Caprice interior. Literally moving forward. We did the back, and now we're moving forward. So next thing up on the agenda, pretty much for the interior, would be the door panels. Now, I cannot take credit for this one. I was robbed. I was pretty much deboed for my equipment or my door panels, and they came back looking like this. Let me get this turned around for you. Actually, let me get it set up so where y'all can see it good. So yeah, basically what happened is Cortez robbed me for my old door panels. Out of love, you know what I'm saying? Out of love, out of brotherhood, and pushing and wanting to see your fellow man get some shit done. Shout out to my boy Cortez, Resto Mods. Y'all go check out his channel. This is not something that's gonna be up on his channel because he was like, man, they wasn't worried about recording it. Woo woo. Well, I'm here to show the world why they should be following you. So they need to follow you, bro. So basically what we have here is the door panel. And y'all remember I had a couple sets of door panels in. Yeah, so these door panels, let me just show you. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSJ254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, LSJ254, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSJ254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. So, as you can see here, these are the door panels for the Caprice, the ones that we had on there, but they were white. Remember they was white. So, what he did? Let me explain to you what he did, because he didn't just paint them. Basically, what he did, they went back. They have a new wood behind them. This is harder than the original plastic, not plastic, or the original cardboard. He went back, he traced out all the holes, everything lined up, etc., etc. So that should make it pretty much flawless when we get ready to. Which door is that? That's the left one, right? So yeah, that should pretty much make it flawless when we go back to add the actual thing on there. I don't know exactly how that's gonna line up. It might be something like that. Okay, yeah, I think it's like that. So once I finish doing the rest of my part, hold on, I'm trying to find something to stick in there so we can make it whole, but let's do it like this. So yeah, so boom, boom, and that's just where, like, I guess screws. I don't know why they had the hole so big for that shit to line up, but whatever. So basically, you know what I'm saying, after I finish doing the because I have to paint these, prep and paint those. After I finish working on those, then that will go on the door like that. Now, to give you an actual more, I don't know, realistic look, I'm gonna put one of these back ones that I already did paint, and I'm going to put it on there like that. So it'll look something similar to that, black on black. For this strip right here, I haven't really decided. Cortez was pretty much telling me that I could put like some wood grain material or something on it. I don't know. I might just want to like scuff it and take the rest off of it, leave it chrome, or paint it a different color. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know. So we will find out together as I decide on what I'm going to do next with that, man. But yeah, man, major shout out to Cortez for helping me out with this. Like I said, I didn't want to, I don't have any footage of it being done because he is the one that did it. And of course, you know, I would never take nobody work and claim it as my own. But he just wanted to help me out. He said he see me working hard, grinding, pushing out this content. Said he had some extra time on his hands and wanted to help me out. So shout out to Cortez, salute for that, man. It looked awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm excited to get them in the car and move forward. Now, I think I really got to pull that dash. I think I really got to pull that dash out. I think I really got to paint that shit black. I think it really ain't no way around it at this point. Like, all black everything. All black everything. On the inside, well, black and blue. You know what I'm saying? So, black and blue, pretty. It looks good. I'm rocking with it. We're gonna send it. So, yeah. So that's what I'll be doing probably later today. I'll go ahead and get these front little things painted black and then everything like that. So if this is the route that I decide to go and to stay at, then I might have some parts coming up for sale. Basically, it would be like a set of sail panels, maybe some rear armrests, maybe a front armrest. So I don't know. These two little parts are hard to come apart. I might not even. Nah, y'all keep y'all money. I'll keep my parts. So I don't know. I'll let y'all know for sure when I know something, and we'll go from there. So Well, let me know what you think about the door panels down in the comment section below. Let me know, do you think I should you put this back like wood grain, or should I don't know, take it down to the chrome and then paint something over it, or I don't know. Y'all let me know. And we'll go from there. So it's your boy, Caprice 254. I bet y'all wanna know. What's under that tarp, huh? Click that like button. We get this video. What's the most likes I done had on a video? 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes on this video. I'm gonna take that tarp off. So make sure we get them views to 1,000. And you know what? I'll make it easier on you. 500 likes. 500 likes. Next video, well, I will do a video. I won't say the next video. It might take y'all a little bit to get there. But I will uncover the tarp and show you what I got up under there. So it's your boy, LSFR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. And make sure you get your merch. Gone.